In today's video, we'll show you how to review and update your organization's primary security and CIO and CISO contacts from the Auth0 Support Center. Keeping this information current is a key part of our security procedures, ensuring we can contact the right people in your organization in the event of a security incident. To get started, navigate to the Auth0 Support Center and log in. Please note, only tenant admins have the permission to update these security contacts. Once you are logged in, move to your user profile in the top right corner and click on it. From the drop-down menu, select the option for Account Contacts. This will take you to the My Account Contacts page. Here, you can review the primary security contacts and CIO and CISO contacts that are currently defined for your organization. To add a new contact, click on the Search Contacts button. If the person you want to add is not already listed in the Auth0 system, you can add them by clicking Add New Contact. A dialog box will appear. Here, you must specify the type of contact you are adding. You can select Primary Security Contact, Primary CIO and CISO Contact, or both. It's recommended to have only one CIO and CISO contact, but you can add multiple primary security contacts if needed. Fill in the information for the new security contact and press Confirm. After the request is received, a confirmation message will display when the new contact has been successfully added. Finally, to remove an existing contact, just click the Remove icon next to their name and confirm your choice. After any contact is added or removed, an email notification will be sent out confirming the updates. And that's it. You have successfully updated your organization's security contacts. Thank you for watching. Check out our support playlist for more. We encourage you to like and subscribe to stay up to date with our latest help resources.